Hello and welcome back to Bushido, where honor is stronger than steel. In this part of the program, we will look at the first virtue in Bushido, Gi, righteousness. There are 8 main principles of Bushido, known as the Bushido's 8 virtues. The first most emphasized virtue in the Bushido code is righteousness. The samurai considered righteousness to be the basis of Bushido, the foundation, the first step on the way. Do not confuse this with self-righteousness, however, which is the thinking that in oneself is better than others. Righteousness is a strong belief in justice and making the effort to do the right thing in all circumstances. Having righteousness as the basis of Bushido means that a samurai has to think and decide whether is it right to swing his sword before he swings it. He does not fight because he wants to be the strongest warrior, nor does he fight because he is told to fight. He fights because it is right for him to do so. The samurai were all well aware of the weight of their actions and the possible consequences. If you were about to get into a fight which might result in the loss of life, is it not essential to consider whether such loss of life is necessary or whether it could be avoided? Righteousness is fortunately not yet an old-fashioned idea. In fact, it is still very much relevant and much needed in today's society. There are 2 aspects of righteousness that are most definitely needed in our lives. One is the determination to do what is right, to make the right decisions. The other is the courage to stand up against what is wrong, to stop injustice from happening. In any of your personal battles, make sure you're fighting on the right side. I'm not referring to the stronger side, but rather more correctly on the right side. Knowing that you are doing the right thing will give you a sense of certainty and a lack of hesitation. Conflict in the workplace is inevitable. Conflicts are bound to happen when there are 2 or more people working together. As an employee, do not pick fights or get drawn into fights if you're not sure which side is the right or wrong side. In business setting, be absolutely certain that your decision is based on righteousness and not on greed or fear. Do not prioritize making a quick buck. It is rarely the right or most profitable choice. Also, avoid entering into business dealings with dishonest and unreliable partners, no matter how good the deal appears to be. Chances are that the deal that looks too good to be true is, in fact, too good to be true. Sit down and carefully think it through.